Hello guys, welcome to the Wolf, and today I'll be showing you a very important analysis on gold this time. And right now the opportunity is partially missed, we can say, but the smart traders who are my smart audience already took in the trade, because I already shared that gold post, that opportunity on my Twitter. So I always remind you that do follow me on my Twitter. You can get latest updates easily. So let me show you on my Twitter, and this is my account. As we can see, this is my post where I said just found a very perfect opportunity, and you all want a video or not. So right now I'm recording this video, but the smart traders or the smart audience who already follows me on my Twitter already recognized this opportunity right here and entered in a long position somewhere over here only, and I am fully confident that they will book the maximum profits. So that's why I remind you guys to follow me on my Twitter. This is my Twitter. As you can see, the link will be in the top of the description. So when you will visit my description below this video, you will find the link of Twitter as well, where you can get latest straight to the point updates of my trade updates and the setup, ongoing setup in crypto market or any commodity market, any opportunity. So do follow me on Twitter so you don't miss any future opportunities like this one. But still there are chances to enter in a long right now. I'll show you. So I hope you saw my post, and now you learned a lesson that you should follow me on Twitter. It's okay, and let's get to the charts now. Okay, so right now I'm on the gold's chart, and if I switch to the 4 hours time frame, I already informed you guys somewhere over here that there is a very good opportunity coming for gold in the next few days, and we can clearly see this big green candle broke this parallel channel. So the price of gold did break this parallel channel to the upside, and I was telling you, but it was Saturday and Sunday, so the gold market was closed. And today, as the market opened, we saw a huge pump to the upside, and I already opened a position up here, right here. So yeah, but what about some traders who miss this opportunity? Well, I would say right now also there is a good time to take a trade. Here, let me show you. So if I take a trade here, right now the main target is all the way up here, $1,900, this purple zone. This is my take profit. So if we put this take profit also here, and if the stop loss I can put somewhere over here, still I'm getting a 1:2 trade, which is a very good trade in according to the money management rules, and with also a very good stop loss. So if the price we get a reversal from up here also, it can barely come till here, and then it will get us up. This is not a financial advice. Always do your own analysis first and then take a trade. I'm just sharing a setup with you all that you can open a trade up here and then put stop loss over here at 1,824, and they take profit all the way up to $1,900 right here. Let's see what happens to the gold's price in the coming couple of few days. And also, so this was the analysis of gold, and I was telling you guys that we can see a good bullish opportunity on gold from the last Friday, and now it is playing out. Let's see what happens in the future. I am little worried because right now in the coming Thursday we have a US FOMC meeting and CPI data is going to be released. And this time what I am thinking is that the federal government is going to be somewhat hawkish on the dollar, and they are gonna increase the interest rates to the upside. And if that happens, then obviously the gold's price can come down. Also, the Bitcoin price can also come down. For the shorter term, I told you I was bullish on Bitcoin as my analysis were telling me, and I'm also in a bullish trade right now. But if our trade plays out very well before Thursday, then it's good. But on Thursday, right? But if our trade is in between somewhere near the Thursday, so I'll book some profits there. So let me switch back to the charts and show you Bitcoin chart, a quick analysis on Bitcoin as well, a bonus analysis for you all. So I'm on the Bitcoin chart 4-hour time frame, and right now, as I told you, that if the Bitcoin price breaks this box pattern or this parallel channel to the upside, then I'll go long, and I did go long perfectly over here as well. And right now what we can see is this support trend line and this resistance trend line. A pennant pattern is forming right now, and I'm pretty bullish on this pattern right now because it can be a continuation pattern to the upside also. And if we zoom in, we can clearly see how this candle, this green candle, came down perfectly to this trend line, made a support and reversed back up with this box support also. The price broke this box to the upside. Now the resistance will turn into support. So the price made this box as a support, and now it is reversing back up again. Well, right now also can't say anything, because if the price of Bitcoin breaks this trend line to the upside, then only I'll be confirmed that yes, the Bitcoin can go all the way up here. Well, the main question is that the main question is that should you enter in a long position right now? So it's just an advice from me that you can enter right now, because the price is stagnant and like this choppy sideways and not sure a major move right now. So if you enter right now also here, it is good for you only. But as I told you that just wait for Thursday. Before Thursday, if the target gets hit, then it's okay. But as the Wednesday, Thursday and Friday approaches, then I will close maximum of my trade only. I don't know, it can be somewhere over here middle only, so I'll do that. So yeah, this is just an quick analysis. And guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin, crypto, then you can head over to Bybit. The link will be in the description. With this link, you can create an account for free for Bybit, and you can get up to $30,000 gift for free. So definitely check out Bybit. It's the best crypto platform out there, easy to use, and I will soon release a video on how to trade on Bybit, a tutorial video. So yeah, stay tuned. Till then, be ready and create an account on Bybit as well. Okay, so guys, right now many people will be thinking that uh, on which broker I am trading gold or commodities. So I use Xness. On Xness you can trade gold, you can trade commodities, you can trade anything like US stocks also. So I am personally using Xness because it is easy to use, and I can create an account for free, and you can also create an account for free, and you can get up to $1,000 bonus if you create an account with the link in description. So Xness link will also be in the description. It's free to use. Feel free to create an account on Bybit, Xness or any other broker you want. All the links are in the description for you. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand that what is happening in the gold, and is it the right time to take a trade, and what can the price of gold and Bitcoin be in the couple of days in this coming week. So yeah, this is it for today's video. Do follow me on my Twitter to get latest updates. Yeah, see you guys next time.